Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you learn how to use the Extrude, Revolve, Split Body, Combine, Remove, Offset Plane, Rib, and Chamfer. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. We will make the base. So the base has a rectangle with 300 millimeters by letter A, 265 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 30 millimeters of radius. And we have 4 holes with 24 millimeters of diameter. And we needed to extrude this 24 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, go to 2-point rectangle and select the center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. The distance here is 265 by 300 millimeters. And go to fillet. The fillet here is 30 millimeters of radius. And we needed to make a circle concentric with the arc with 24 millimeters of diameter. Go to constraint, select the equal, make the circles equals. And finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 24 millimeters, so go to extrude, select this profile, 24 millimeters, operation new body, press OK. Now we will make this arc here. The radius on this side is 100 millimeters, and the radius here, b over 2, so it is 72 millimeters. So go to create, select the top plane again. Go to create, select the project included project, select this face and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select the line, construction line, make a construction line here between the center of this line and the center of this line here. And go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, remove the construction line type, make an arc here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 144 over 2, and the distance here is 100 millimeters. This arc here has 278 millimeters of radius. We made this. And here we have the thickness here is 12 millimeters. So we will make an offset here with 12 millimeters of distance. So go to modify, select the offset, select this arc, make an offset to this side, minus 12 millimeters, press OK. And go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this line here, this point and this line. We made this profile, so finish the sketch, show the bodies here, go to revolve, the axis, select this construction line, the extended type partial, the angle 180 degrees, and the operation here is new body. Press OK. We made this. Now go to modify and select the split body. The body to split, select the base, the body 1, and the splitting tool, select the body tool and press OK. Now select this body here, the body 1, click with the right button here and remove this. We made this. Now go to combine the target body, select this arc, and the two bodies, select the base. Operation join and press OK. We have this body here. Now press letter A in the keyboard. The color here will be blue and the color here will be yellow. We made this. Now we will make this cylinder. So to create this cylinder, we'll make a new plane. So we'll make an offset plane of the top plane with 108 millimeters of distance. So go to construct, select offset plane, select the top plane here, 108 millimeters, press OK. Go to create a sketch and select this new plane. And here we will make a circle with 96 millimeters of diameter in the center. So select the circle, click here in the midpoint, 96 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch and go to extrude, select this profile, the extended type, select it to object, and the object, select this surface here. And the extend, select to adjacent face, operation join and press OK. We made this. Now we will make this cut here. So to create this cut, we will select the right plane and we will use the Revolve feature. We'll make a sketch here. And then after we make this cut, we'll make the chamfer here with 6 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, go to create, select the project including project, select the center of this edge and press OK. Hide this body a little bit. Select the line. Make a line here between this point and the midpoint here. Make this sketch. We'll put the dimensions later, no problem. And the distance here is 52 over 2. And the distance here is 50 millimeters. 52 over 2. And the distance here, 50 millimeters. And the angle here is 15 degrees over 2. We made this. Finish the sketch. Go to Revolve, select this profile, the axis, select this axis here, show the body tool. The operation here is cut and the extended type, select full and press OK. We made this cut. Okay. Now we will make this part here. So the first thing that we'll make, we'll create an offset plane from this face with 30 millimeters of distance. So we'll create a plane here. So go to construct, select offset plane, select this face, minus 30 millimeters, press OK. And go to create a sketch and select this new plane. And go to create, project include, project, select this face here. And select line, a construction line, make a construction line here and another one here. And here, we will create this construction line and the angle between this construction line and this line here is letter D. So it is 19 degrees, and the distance between this point and the midpoint here is letter E. It is 78 millimeters. So make a construction line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 78 and the angle here 19. We made this. I will hide this body a little bit. And at this point, we'll make a circle with 18 millimeters of diameter. And we will create this line here, this arc with 18 millimeters of radius, and this arc is concentric with this circle, and we'll make another line here. This line and this one is tangent with this circle. Okay? So select the circle, click here, remove the construction line type, click at this point, make a circle here with 18 millimeters of diameter, and select line, click at this circle here, make an arc here and make another line here. Go to constraint, select tangent, make this arc tangent with the both lines, and go to concentric, select this arc and this circle, and go to tangent again, make this line tangent with this circle and this line tangent with this circle, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 18 millimeters of radius. We have this profile. So finish the sketch, show the body tool, and go to Extrude. The extended type, select to object, and the object, select this face. The extend, select to adjacent face, operation join, and press OK. We made this. Now we need to make this cut here through all this body. So go to Extrude, select show the sketch 5 and select this circle. The extended type, select all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay, hide the sketch 5. Now to finish this exercise, we need to create this rib here. The rib here. And the thickness is 10 millimeters. So we will select the right plane and make this line. And the distance between this point here and this edge is 12 millimeters. And the distance here, 10 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Go to create, select the project include. The selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select a line, make a line between this line here and this one. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 12 millimeters. And the distance here, 10 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Show the body tool. Go to create and select the rib. Select this line here. The thickness is 10 millimeters and press OK. Press letter A in the keyboard. Select this face here. Paint this green. I will change this color a little bit. We made this. And now we will check the answers. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to make the chamfer here. So here we have a chamfer with 6 millimeters. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here, 6 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. Now let's check the answers. So the area of the blue surface, the answer must be between these two numbers here. So press letter, selected measure, selected this face here. Look the distance here. It is between that answer. Now let's check the green area. It is between the answer. And let's check the yellow surface here. It is between the answers. It's correct, okay? And the volume of this body, click with the right button here and go to properties. It is between the answer, okay? And we need to show the distance between the P1 and P2. The distance is between this number here. So go to inspect, select this point here and this point here. And that's it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.